Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same.
So, like I said in my last video, I think, I've not done much of this sort of pouring, so I'm not that good at it. So, as you noticed, what I didn't realise was how cold the resin was when I was mixing it. When I put it together in the jug, it was fine, it was transparent, but when I started mixing it, it went like a fluffy whipped cream consistency. So I'm not entirely sure what we're going to find when we open this. What I have learned though is to keep my resin in the house where it's a little bit warmer. I think that was the problem. So we're learning this together, guys. Hopefully you'll stick with me and you won't think I'm a total noob. Let's have a look what's in there. Okay, so it's kind of clear. Oh, look how easy that came out of there. There's a bit of a crack there, look. Oh, that's weird. Oh. See, it's got loads of bubbles. You see that? There's loads of bubbles. So that's one thing I've learned. Mix it when it's maybe room temperature or something. I'm still going to turn it because I don't want to waste this resin. It's cost money. So let's have a look, see how it turns. I mean, at the end of the day, it is what it is, and I've learned from it. You can see the bubbles though, can't you? Nice colours. Well, I think it was just too cold. Anyway, let's give it a little bit of a turn in.
Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 AM. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised.
So you can see quite a lot of bubbles. I mean, this would have been so beautiful if it weren't for those bubbles, but it is what it is. The colours of it have turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm going to have to do this again, but obviously I'll warm the resin first, room temperature. But I'm going to turn it. I've made quite a big mortise on the bottom. I'm going to turn it away and turn the inside out now and see what happens. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd do anything you want me to. 'Cause I love you.
So, what happens when you mix cold resin? This is what happens when you mix cold resin. I've ruined it. It would have been such a nice bowl. But what I think what had happened is because it was cold, the resin mixed really well, but it turned into this creamy white stuff. I just carried on. I thought, I'm not wasting this. I'm just going to carry on, chuck it in and see what happens. And what has happened is there was that many bubbles in it, even in the pressure pot. I think initially when I put the pressure onto it, I put up 80 psi or something like that, and then walked away. And I think what happened is the pressure dropped so quickly because there were so many bubbles in there. It didn't do the job. But anyway, as you can see, you see the bubbles. There's so many bubbles, but the colours in there are absolutely beautiful. I mean, there's the bowl, the bottom. I tried to make it quite thin as well. I mean, it's about 5mm thin, that is. I mean, it turned out okay. Like I say, I did a big, nice big mortise on the bottom. I quite like the big mortises. It looks more like a foot, doesn't it? But there you go. I'll put some stills. Oh, you can see the bubbles now. Look at the bubbles on that. Mad. See the colours though. See the pink and the blue. There's blue there, look. Oh. Anyway, yeah, the wood itself is lovely. So there you go. Like I said, I'm not perfect at this. I can't even say that I'm any good at it, but I'm trying and I'm learning, and hopefully, see, I can't even get my words out today. Hopefully, you'll all join me. Today has just been a ridiculous day. I've been dropping stuff and things are just not going right. I can't even get my words out. Anyway, but there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please hit the subscribe button. There's still people that are not hitting that subscribe button, and it's free, guys. Anyway, see you next time.